back again. And delay watch the ads full. This is supposed to be happening. And a cartoon stomach growling. Let's see what this happens. Okay. Alright, this video is about stomach growling. Oh, yes. Wait, what happened? Oh, yeah, video. What's going on? It's so bad, it makes. How it's going? That's nice. What the? How come on back away? They're going. It's not for you. I'll go on back. I'm just finally oh, I hear my house. So autism. Oh my god. A Talking Tom and friends, just watch this video is about the end of my Talking Tom videos. So Talking Ninja was about videos. Now those are talks. Alright, just kidding. You know what? This is supposed to be long videos about this. Okay. Maybe you do it me? Alright, this is a... What is it, baby?
Me too, I'm starving.
Oh my god, I might have to doing videos. No. Oh no, I hate this. Oh my. No, it's just one videos. Oh my. Oh, yeah. Oh no. It's my life. No. Let me just buy something. Okay. Bye. No, it's okay. It's Green Game Crats. Oh god, no. I hate my life. It's SpongeBob. What the fuck is fat pigment? Ew. No. I lost my chair. It's just dead. Can stop recording videos. It's just fine. I'll go away. What happened to me is just about you. It's me. No, I have to know. Your stomach growling. That's right. Next movie is that stomach growl. Hello, Bluey, wait, is something me? Okay, I would say. Nope, actually not. You say that. Okay. Alright, this is a hopper hit. It's still working on this. It's alright, bye. Alright, of course. Wow. What's happening, Rex? Oh my butt! Oh no! What's happening to me? It's just what happened to me. Destroy it! That wood! Destroy it! What's going on? Yeah, what's this? Nothing, guys. Monsters.
We'll be right with you, girls.
Bye. Alright, dude. No, we had a Whoopsies episode. No. You're stuck in here. Oh, fucking chicken. Yeah, this is right. Shut up. I just want to be just. Okay, just shut up. I don't want this video waffle stomach. I just don't. Ruby stomach grow. But I trained to see my. I swore do not have it. Okay. Yep. Yeah, that's right. Okay, good. Oh god. Oh no. What have you done? What is happening? I don't. What was this?
Moment that female characters had their stomach
Well, that's favorite my voice. What's wrong with fucking this voice? Which is only timeless.
Awful
entertaining.
My stomach hurts. Take us now! Take us now! I should not have drunk that much tea.
Shut up. Wait. I have a sponsor for this. Start. Ah! Say it again. You know what? What happened? Oh, okay. Trinket. Trinket. What is this? Ah! It just works. What happened? Oh, but this is funny.
You okay?
Oh my god, it's burned. It's burned. Oh my gosh, I just got a common voice. It's next. Yep, it's funny videos. Oh my god. There's some no burn. Anyway, he just can't do what will happen. Let's just watch this. It works. Wait. Oh my gosh, it's stomach coated. Above next. By the way. And listen that. Listen that, bitch. Oh, stomach context is sucks. Now you happen I have dislikes. There's nothing. It's just his Jeffy name. Oh my god, oh, what's the bird? Oh god. Oh my fucking peanut butter! This daily video is coming back already. It's next one. Can you see my local? There we go! Woo! My stomach is fucking hungry. Whatever! Alright, this is just Joe's about. They don't sound fakes. Yeah, I love you. Wait, you know going boy. No, I can't talk it. Not the public. Wait, what? I this bitch. Which drink of water so fast? Alright, this video sucks. It's what happened?
I think I drank it all.
Oh my god! Wait, I didn't record this. I just fucking was that Roblox? Yeah, I did it Roblox. Oh god, it's burned my butt. Oh, it's there goes this just. My Sonics. Let's try. No, I love this video. What is this video? It's called. Yes, what's this? Just a beautiful go 1 minute start this. Nasty bitch. Oh god. There we go. Wait, the video was to go in. The video was to stomach rolling. Oh hi, Lily, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be down? Oh god, damn it! I hate this. Oh my god, it scared me. It scared me. Oh my gosh, I just skipped it. I have bros. Where'd you go? Billy, wait. My ears. It's. Oh, Billy, you have my stomach crawling. Oh, boys, what happened? My coffee. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. Do very fastly. You're gonna pig you out. Oh god. Oh no, stomach crawling. Oh god, no. Oh god. Ew. Oh my god. Next is happened to friends. What's happened to last episode? So, what happened then? Wait, you fucking stomach crawling this video. Stop! Anyway, they going back over. There you go. So, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's fine. It's okay. Oh my god! You don't like it. No! Oh wait, no. Oh, he's back at it. Oh! Oh my god! Oh yes, I had to not be where to eat my beans. Oh my god. It's so Did you poop my... Oh my heck, no. What did it do? What did it do? I just... Wait, what? Where's the big... Found this video, Mama's stomach growing in 74 this. Later, shut up! Get louder. Oh, that was loud. I'm 64. Say I'm a baby. It's me, Mickey Mouse. No, say that, goodbye. Okay. Thanks for watching. Just subscribe. Subscribe!